Well, welcome to another edition of Fraser's Friday Feature. We're back on for 2021. We had a little break during the Christmas holidays, but we're coming back at you now with a lot of great new features. So we did a little survey with all our customers through Facebook, and we found we kind of asked what features or what things you'd like us to cover, and it was a unanimous that folks would like to learn more about trailering. So what I did, I'm going to take the next month and I'm going to devote all our features, maybe have a special guest appearance. We're going to talk about safe trailering, truck capacities for trailering, just kind of an all-around review of trailering features that we have on the GMC trucks. So today I'm going to start it off with a feature which is, I know it's plagued a lot of us over the years when trailering, is when you're alone and you back up to your hitch, you put it in park, and you have that little movement. It's just the movement that's in the transmission, but you end up missing the hitch by a couple inches. You have to get back in and readjust. So this feature will help with that. I'm going to explain to you how it works inside the cab of this Denali, so let's meet in there. So I'm inside this 2021 GMC Sierra Denali HD with the Duramax engine. So this truck is built for towing, and it comes with the ProGrade trailering app. And so that gives you a lot of features. And today's feature I'm going to talk about is the auto electric parking brake assist. So I'm in the showroom here. It's a blustery winter day outside, but we kind of picture that we're backing up to a trailer here. I am in reverse. So once you get close to the trailer, you can switch to this mode. That's the trailer hitch view. And so basically I would direct the camera to your hitch as you back up underneath your trailer hitch. And once this is activated, you simply put the vehicle back into park and it applies the emergency brake so you don't get that 2 inches of movement that you'd normally get. So you're locked in place, you can go lower your trailer. So it's a great feature when you're by yourself and you're trying to hook up and hook up your trailer when you're alone. There's going to be a lot more of these features. I hope you like this one. And if you have any questions on it, please feel free to give me a call at 403-845-3328, and we'll see you next Friday.